Hey foodies, how are we doing today? I'm sure you're very excited because we're going to make meat suya. You need your meat, then the sticks for the suya, then other ingredients like your salt, your curry, your thyme, your suya pepper, your maggi, your other peppers that you do require. Then in a bowl, you put all the ingredients together. You put your pepper, your maggi, your pepper again, your salt, every single thing that you need to make the marinades. Like that's 100. You know that suya Niger? Yes, that's what it's giving. So we have to wash our meat, make sure the meat is clean enough, then put your olive oil in your marinades mix so that you're able to get that consistency that you do need to get that awesome spicy suya that you love, and I know you do love. So now I'm going to slice in those meat because we need to get it into little chunks so that we have that suya that we want. After I'm done with that, I would need to put my marinades in my meat. I usually like doing this process in the beginning because I just love the taste it gives like after I'm done with my suya making. So this is it. I hope you guys like it. I can't wait to have it yummed in my mouth. So yes, you need to stack up the meat so that it gives you that consistency that you do need. So you have to layer everything, making sure that everything is properly layered the way you would love it. So once you are done layering and making sure that everything is as you wanted it to be, it's time to put it in your air fryer. You can use your oven, you can use any means, but right now I'm using my air fryer because I love like how it gives the taste and like the feel of like the suya-ness that I do need for this food. And yes, that is it for today, guys. Let me know what you pair up with your suya. Put it now in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching this fan. I hope you learned a lot. See you in my next video.